Recently, Government of India announced that we will increase the use of nuclear energy, and India is also planning to build 20 new nuclear reactor in India by 2031. Hello and good morning everyone. Today my lecture topic is Nuclear Program of India. Friends, as all we know, India got independence and become democratic country in 1947, and in 1948 India entered in nuclear energy field by the commissioning of a new commission for the nuclear energy with the chairmanship of Homi Bhabha. And later on, India also organized a department for the nuclear energy in the prime ministership of Jawaharlal Nehru. And today, nuclear electricity is the fifth largest source of electricity of India after the coal, gas, hydropower, and wind power. And India have today 22 nuclear reactor in 7 different states, and with the installed capacity of approximately 7,000 megawatt electric. So friends, now let's talk what are the 3 different stage of nuclear program of India. Then first is pressurizing the deuterium oxide reactor, in which the inputs are uranium and deuterium oxide, and as a byproduct we get plutonium. And in the second stage, name fast breeder reactor, in which the inputs are the byproduct of first state, that is plutonium, and the uranium mix oxide, in which the output we get the uranium 233. And in the final stage, that name thorium based reactor, in which inputs are thorium and the byproduct of second stage, that is uranium 233, and in the result we get energy. Friends, now let's talk what are the challenges for Indian nuclear program. Then first is some incident and also the best management that happened in the past time. Some incident in Fukushima, in 3 Mile Island, that we have seen in the history. Second is the lack of technology in India. It is also a major concern for the Indian nuclear program. Third is the land acquisition and the location for nuclear power plant. It is also major concern for the Indian government. Some other challenges like the infrastructure as well as the skills, that in the history India have done lots of efforts to develop the infrastructure and developed also, but it is also today a challenge. Friends, in my conclusion, as a way forward today, India as a large country with the huge population, we need long-term energy security, and nuclear reactor can fulfill this need. And India have done tremendous efforts in this field to develop nuclear program in India. And also India is not a member of NSG, that is also a concern for India, but in 2009 India have proven that without the membership of NSG we can develop our nuclear program, because India have done many agreements with individually country to supply the nuclear technology, and India is working tremendously in this field today. India have many universities which are teaching the nuclear sector field knowledge and studies for their students. And definitely friends, India will get the need that what India want in the energy sector. Thank you.